Meaning of day out.
Day out.
Day out.
Day out.
Day out. Day out refers to spending a day away from home, usually for leisure or recreation. It could involve visiting a new place, trying out new activities, or simply relaxing in a different setting. The idea behind a day out is to break away from the routine of daily life and enjoy something different. Whether it's a hike in the mountains, a trip to the beach, or a visit to a museum, the result of a day out is usually a refreshed mind, a renewed sense of energy, and a memorable experience.